So you want to see Windows 95? Easy. I will show you how to download it in your operation system today. So firstly, what we are going to do is just download it from this website, github.com/blah blah blah blah. You could just check it out in the description. And after this, you have to just click this one, and I already downloaded it. Once you open it, just click here, Start Windows 95. Now I have Windows 95. That's cool. Let's check out Paint. Well guys, using Windows 95 was boring. Yes, boring. If you just hear from your elders that Windows 95 was the best Windows version of ever, yeah, maybe they are right. Because in their time, once Windows 95 has launched, most people in the world has liked it and liked their features. And that's why I'm not gonna show you what I was doing, because it's boring. And yes guys, I see you in the next video, and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to get more tech stuffs like this one.